Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Something special, actually. This was sent by Scott. I seem to remember a video, a picture. It's something absolutely extravagant, and as it usually is when it comes from Scott. So thank you very much. I'll make sure and show his Instagram when I open the box. It's absolutely worth following him. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's get this out of the box and see what we're looking at here. I'm sure this is just something that, is just usually the stuff that Scott sends, if you're new, is stuff that is, it's fairly difficult to obtain, I think would be putting it lightly. And also just things that are fun to share with the community, because I certainly am not somebody, this is his Instagram, make sure you give him a follow. I sure am not somebody who, collects things at quite the same caliber. Oh, we're in for a special treat here. We've actually got a couple of them. I collect a lot of really cool stuff, but I'm jealous of his collection. Happy to have a note. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Scott always does a great job of sending notes. Okay, let's see. Ooh, open first. Okay, let's do this one right here. What do we have? It looks like, yeah, the first one here is going to be a Chris Reeve, but I just took a look at the note and saw that it, oh my God. I wasn't expecting that. Holy moly, look at that. Is this, let's see here. Let me take a look. Fully engraved by Bruce, sorry, I'm trying to hold in the camera, by Bruce Shaw, to my spec, facilitated by one of the most amazing knife community members out there, who shall remain nameless so he doesn't get endless requests. We have a Millet Knives Damascus inlay clip. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, wonderful. Sorry that my gross fingernails are screwing up this amazing. Look at that. The thumb studs. Are the thumb studs Damascus too? All right. And then we have. This is the blade is actually Raindrop Damascus. Whoo, boy. So let me tell you something. Personally, I am not the world's biggest Sebenza fan. Far from it. But I have to admit that this is one of the... this is the best looking Sebenza that I have ever seen. So the Sebenza is this a 31? It has to be. There's no hole, right? Yeah. Do we have the thing? The ball? I can't see it. Oh boy. The Sebenza is absolutely a knife that you can get. You have to be a little bit patient, but it's obtainable. Something like this though, there are Damascus ones here or there, but this is the first time I've seen something fully engraved. Look at the work on this is just ridiculous. This is beautiful. Every last little bit fits perfectly into this area that's been milled, and they kept the Idaho made. Oh man, that is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Spectacular. All right. That, I was not expecting that. I think it's the other one that I was expecting. And let's open this up here. Is there any information in it? Oh man. I was not expecting this. Hold on. I just saw, Scott, I just looked at the top line. I didn't I don't want to ruin it for myself, but I feel like I know what's in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Let me feel her out here. I know what this is. Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? Oh my God. Oh my God. Scott. Oh, I don't even want to touch this. You need to... I need you safe over here, big guy. Just because my hand doesn't feel super steady right now. So this is... this is a DLT Trading exclusive non-flipper Fullard spear, which I've always said is the ideal XM18. And I stand by that. I have one in my collection. But what Scott has done here is, I am fairly certain these are Med & Boss. Hold on. Let me look. No, I'm wrong. Curtis Berry. That's Berry. Oh, yeah. Berry Knives. Yeah, Black Timascus. I'm so sorry. It's Berry Knives who did the scale. Very cool. I've actually had a scale from him before. Very good work. Koi skin texture, right? And then this is unmistakably Lindy Lou, as far as the, yeah, it's Richie and Lindy. IG or Instagram is Knife Modders. I'm going to make sure you guys actually see this so that we can get the right people here. There we go. Curtis Berry, Black Timascus, and then we have the Black Timascus clip. We're just going to look at that, and then Richie and Lindy right here. It's Knife Modders. Yeah, I think I'm going to give them a ring about having that mirror polish done to mine. I haven't even seen it yet. We're still looking at the knife. Good Lord. Did the screws here. Let's take a look at that clip. Blue, this, the mirror polish on the end. This is insane, man. I have to touch the blade to get it open. Oh, this just feels wrong. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I'm going to have this done. This is a true mirror. Absolute. Beautiful true mirror. That is ridiculous. I want this done to my hand. I want the whole thing like this. I'm gonna do it. Oh man, that is wicked, man. That is absolutely insane. Oh God. It's even smoother than mine. Now that everything has been like totally mirror polished. Man, that is beautiful. Look at this. I don't even have anything to say. I remember seeing this on your Instagram. I feel terrible about getting fingerprints on this. I remember seeing this on your Instagram and just thinking like, dude, it's like, it's everything, you know, that I have said was ultimate about this specific, the DLT exclusive Fullard Spear, right? Except it's just taken to an absolute extreme. This scale, if you're wondering, I mean, the amount of work that's in this is ridiculous, right? If you've ever looked at a Hinder XM18 and thought, $425 for a pocket knife, that's ridiculous. Well, hold Scott's beer. This is way, the amount of work that's in this, the scale alone, right? I don't even want to know how much the scale costs, but the work that goes into mirror polishing a blade, right? Especially something like this would have been M390, right? Yeah, this took a lot of work. The titanium is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is just absolutely spectacular. I've never seen anything like this. This knife will probably get its own video. It will definitely get its own video. And you'll probably see it in shorts and all of that stuff. Scott, I'm going to have to ask you about how to keep that thing, you know, how to keep my fingerprints off it. I mean, I just use the microfiber. That's the most, that is the highest polish. Look how perfectly it's reflecting the camera mount. That is the highest polish I've ever, even some of those, you know, those Borkas. I think I had a mirror polish Borka, and I've had, I mean, my own personal mirror polish Rockstead is not even that crazy. That is ridiculous. I knew that Knife Modders were good. I did not know that they were capable of doing stuff like this. Yeah, that is absolutely stunning. Well, yeah, you'll definitely, we'll get videos on both of these down the road. This is not a review. I have countless reviews on the Sebenza, countless videos on the XM18 3.5 inch. There's more than enough information out there just from my channel, let alone all of the other channels that have covered these knives into the ground. But I mean, how cool of Scott to share this with everybody, right? Good God. That is just absolutely ridiculous. Okay, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Thanks so much. Again, make sure you guys follow Sierra_bound. He's a smart guy. He sends 3 of these so that in the chaos of me like waving my hands around, right? One of them will surely make it on screen at one point or another. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.